friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. Finally friends, I'm back with the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the Realme X1 Max device using the Spinboard mobile cooling fan. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to perform this kind of test on the Realme X1 Max. The main reason is because the Realme X1 Max can play at 90 FPS and this is a Spinboard mobile cooler which I did receive today, which I did order from the Flipkart website, and I did do a couple of videos as well testing with the Antutu benchmark test and a lot of other things, but let's see, while playing Battlegrounds mobile game, can this Spinboard mobile cooler, can it keep the Realme X1 Max temperatures really low or not? Because usually when you try to play at 90 FPS, the temperatures can actually increase up to 40 Celsius, yes, 40 degrees it can actually go up to. And during this time, I'll try to use a 4G data only 4G data connection, not Wi-Fi, 4G data, because that's also another thing. So using 4G data, I'll try to play the game for about close to maybe 1 hour of time just to check how is the temperatures and how is the battery of the phone is maintaining. Right now you will be able to see the exact 4G place I am receiving at this moment, and brightness I did set up to 60% brightness, not 50%, 60% brightness I did select, not bad. And right now I'll be able to connect the earphones. I'll try to plug it into the phone, and let me try to set up this kind of Spinboard cooling fan as well. And right now stopwatch has been started, and you can see the backside temperature is about close to 33 Celsius in the beginning of doing the test, 35 degrees and 35. And now I think I should be able to play at 90 FPS. Let me try to turn on the gain space as well, which I forgot to enable it. And you should be see about exactly 90 FPS right now I was able to get. And let me try to connect exactly in this position. So just below the power button, yes, exactly in this kind of position I did connect, as you can see, without disturbing any kind of volume buttons, nothing at all. Yes, I think the volume button is not getting pressed, that's not a problem. So overall, this exact middle position I'm trying to keep, friends, as you can see, the Spinboard cooler. And this is the one thing which I did like, the area is really big one, and very soon, if possible, I'll try to order the Realme cooling fan as well, Realme Cooling Neo, not the actual Realme cooling, because this is a very small area. But anyway, so I'm gonna play the Battlegrounds mobile game for about 1 hour continuously with the 90 FPS only, and during this time I'll try to play only the classic match only, as I said, Erangel map continuously non-stop in this device. And I did connect the earphones also plugged into the phone, and let's see, using this kind of mode, how well the battery will maintain and how much higher temperatures can actually the phone can reach. So if you remember, previously I did do plenty of testing with the 90 FPS, and the phone went up to 40 degrees as well using this kind of 90 FPS mode. I just want to check whether this will help any kind of temperatures cool down in the Realme X1 Max device or not. That is what my main motive of testing this kind of video. 35 Celsius in the beginning, 30, 36, 35, 36, it's maintaining it on 36. I wish we could have included this kind of Spinboard exactly in this kind of location, but because of this camera bump we cannot do that. Anyway, I can be back after some time, friends, just let you know that. I'll try to play the game continuously, and then I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, time is about close to 13 minutes of time. So continuously I did play the classic match, and just now I did shift to the team net match as well. And during this time the temperatures you can see 38 Celsius only at this moment, not bad. So it did not go above 38 Celsius during this time of gameplay. Using this Realme, this kind of Spinboard cooling clip on the back side, you can see the temperatures around the side of the Spinboard, it's of 34 Celsius only. It's pretty low, as you can see, very low. Not bad overall in terms of the temperatures wise, it was able to perform kind of good. So maybe the temperatures might be decreasing, maybe close to, I think, 3 degrees, 3 to 5 degrees, you can actually see the decrease in terms of the temperatures if you try to use a Spinboard cooling clip. So make sure to use my links in description in case if you plan to buy any of the products from the Amazon website, it's also available. Right now I'm trying to play only at the 90 FPS at this point. You can clearly see 90 FPS I'm trying to play non-stop using with the 4G data only. And it doesn't feel much kind of heavy because the product is of close to 59 grams of weight, 57 grams of weight, and the phone is about close to 170 kind of 173 and 176 grams of weight, the phone weight. So overall it kind of close to 200 grams if you try to use this kind of Spinboard cooling clip, and if you try to play, this can be the overall weight of the device, not bad. Let me know in the comment section below, friends, what other devices you want me to do this kind of similar kind of testing. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of testing as soon as possible. And temperatures, you can see 38 Celsius only during this time of testing. Not bad. So 38 Celsius exactly. And the battery dropped up to 96%. So 96% using only the 4G data connection during this process of testing. Only using the 4G data only I'm trying to play the game. So I can be back after exactly 30 minutes of continuously playing the game. Then we'll be able to understand slightly kind of better results what is happening with the device. So right now, as you can see, friends, I've been playing the game for about close to 40 minutes of time overall. And let me to show you exactly the temperatures, how much it got increased. It's about 37 Celsius only, as you can see, during this time of testing. So overall the temperatures, I cannot see any kind of huge difference in terms of using the spin boat. So I think close to maybe 2 to 3 degrees, you can definitely expect low temperatures in the Realme X1 Max. And 90 FPS, let's check whether 90 FPS I'm getting consistently or not. Yes, I'm getting consistently 90 FPS. Even after playing 40 minutes of time as well, there is no problem at all. And regarding the battery percentage, dropped up to 84%. The battery has been dropped after 40 minutes of playing non-stop. You can clearly see, friends, 40 minutes. So I'm going to be back after maybe getting close to 59 minutes or 55 minutes. Then we can actually discuss what is happening regarding the gameplay. And during this time, I did not notice any kind of major drops or nothing at all. No problems regarding the FPS drop or any kind of lag or delay. So I think overall it's a really good accessories, friends, in case if you're a gamer, and if you can definitely buy this one in case if you're looking. Not maybe this one, maybe because the Realme also launching the Realme Cooling Clip Neo, which will be releasing very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Definitely as soon as it releases, I'll definitely plan to buy those Realme Cooling Neo as well. Then I'll be able to compare side by side. How is the Realme Cooling Clip is doing? How is this Pinboard Cooling Clip is doing? Side by side we can actually compare. So then we'll be able to understand better results what is going on. So I'm going to be back after a couple of minutes of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm trying to play the game continuously for about close to 59 minutes. I think it's kind of close to 1 hour of time. So non-stop I'm trying to play the game only, Battlegrounds mobile game, which is a classic game. And overall I did see a little bit kind of decrease in the temperatures. It's not increasing much high temperatures. So definitely there is an improvement using this kind of Spinboard cooling clip. So definitely it makes a little bit kind of difference when you using the cooling clip and playing the game as well. In fact, I did not notice any kind of lag while playing the game, not much lag. And I'll try to show you exactly the temperatures, how much the temperatures can be there regarding the phone as well. And right now it's exact 1 hour of time and temperature is about close to 38 Celsius. As you can see, 38 Celsius, not bad. So overall it did not cross above 38. It was every time completely less than 38 Celsius only, and the battery dropped by 74%. Using only the 4G data with a 74%. So I think it's kind of close to 16% is decreased for about 1 hour of continuously playing. Not 16%, sorry, 26%. I think, yeah, 26% is decreased for 1 hour of continuously playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme X1 Max device using the 4G data overall. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts on this one. In case if you want me to do any kind of testing with using with other smartphones, let me know. Definitely I'll try to do my best to post the video, even playing with other phones as well regarding the cooling clip and gameplay, just to check how is the temperatures are maintaining. But overall right now in this Realme X1 Max, this is the temperatures I'm trying to see at this moment. Not bad. So nothing much major complaints at this moment, and even the weight of this Spinboard cooling clip is also really less, not much weight, so which also makes a little bit kind of really good. So let me do, yep. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are your thoughts, and definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible while using other devices as well. how our other phones are handling in terms of the FPS while using the cooling clip. And overall, let me just show you exactly what is the real-time FPS meter I'm getting at this moment. It's of close to 90 FPS. So for me, there is no issues with the real-time FPS. It's not decreasing to 60. Sometimes some users, they did mention that it's decreasing below 60, but it's not decreasing in my case. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick review using the Spinboard cooling clip, and it actually makes a lot of difference as well. Let me just show you the temperatures, how much it is. As you can see, there's a lot of water is going on the back side. It's about 27 degrees and 26 degrees, and the side is about 36. And the side and between, you can see clearly how much difference is there. You can see some kind of water as well. So it's really working out. I think 10 degrees Celsius difference is there between the place where I placed and the surrounding of the phone as well. And regarding the cooling clip, you can see some kind of water as well on the back side, as you can see, friends, clearly, and the temperature is kind of 23 Celsius. It's very cold. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.